Hello everyone, Jake Fugett here with Smartland Residential Contractors. Make 2019 the year you finally overhaul your home and give it that gorgeous look that it deserves. There have been plenty of changes over the years and trends continue to evolve. So here's Smartland's top 7 trends for remodeling and home additions. Number 7, focus on the sheen. 2019 is the year of gold, silver, bronze, and copper. And what do all these colors have in common? Well, they're sheen, of course. These colors can all be a beautiful addition to your home this year. Moreover, they also give your home that cool vintage feel. Number 6, decorate with pendant lighting. Pendant, or suspended lighting, is a unique home and lighting decor style that is trending big time in 2019. These beautiful lights are replacing the traditional recessed lights, and their chic appearance is being embraced by homeowners everywhere. You can add pendant lights to areas in your home such as your kitchen, dining area, foyer, and entrance. These are some areas where pendant lights can become the center of attraction. So in short, pendant lighting serves 2 purposes: style and functionality for your home. Number 5, upgrade your kitchen. The kitchen is one of the few places in your house where you can really experiment with a plethora of styles and looks. Get rid of the old cabinets and add some stylish new ones. Give the kitchen countertop a shiny or a granite look. If you're bored with stainless steel, go for the matte finishes. You can hire a kitchen remodeling expert to overhaul your kitchen and refresh its mundane appearance. Number 4, make way for white flooring. If you've been considering adding white flooring to your home, 2019 is the perfect year. While it's true that white flooring gets dirty easily, it provides your home with a more spacious look, especially in your kitchen area. You can choose between white wood or white tiles. Number 3, add more windows, and bigger ones too. During the daytime, who doesn't love natural light? If you don't have big windows in and around your home, make sure you add plenty of them in 2019. Having more windows balances the energy efficiency in your house and keeps the temperature inside your home more comfortable. And the best thing is that you end up saving a lot more money on your energy bills. Install larger windows with white frames and give your home a brand new look. Number 2, modify those ceilings. This is one of the most exciting remodeling trends of 2019. You can add more flair to your home by increasing the height of your ceilings by adding woodwork or exposed beams. Sometimes, just adding a simple crown molding to the ceiling can seal the deal. Number 1, remodel your basement. The new year is the perfect time to reconstruct or remodel your basement. If your basement is unused, why not turn it into a home theater, a personal gym, or a kid's gaming room? Before you remodel your basement, check if the plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems are working properly. Unclutter the items as much as you can and make more space. Also, if your basement needs some reconstruction, go for it. Remodeling your basement is a great trend that will last well beyond 2019. Thank you so much for listening to our top 7 remodeling and home addition trends of 2019. Feel free to read more down below. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, this is Jake Fugett for Smartland Residential Contractors.